Folks, so my name is Venkatesh and today I'm going to be showing you a video of how we did our irrigation system, a drip irrigation system from DIG. And yeah, let me just quickly show you how that worked. So first things first, what you need is you need to measure it perfectly well, right? And once you do that, you'll be in a much better shape to get things done. So what we literally did was, this is our hose, and then I bought a hose splitter. If you go to Home Depot, you ask for the hose splitter. It's usually in the garden section. So this is what this does literally is, it kind of isolates one irrigation system, and this you can use it to kind of spray if you want to spray an insecticide over the lawn. I have a sprinkler system installed, so I don't need to use this much, but whenever I need to use it, I kind of externally attach a hose. So you need this definitely for sure. What you could also do is you can attach a timer between these two, so that it kind of you don't have to worry about anything at all, right? So let's start with how I connect it. So first things first, what you need is the hose connector, right? Or the tube connector. And the way this works is you kind of this is your actual tube, right? And this being your actual tube, it just has to kind of fit it in. So there is a hole in here. You just have to kind of push it in. It kind of gets a little tough to push it, but with good pressure you'll be able to push that. And once it's pushed in, it's kind of snug. It is not gonna come out. You'll have to cut it. So that way it's kind of leak proof, and all you need is a lot of L's and T's. So what I did was a hose connector, and then an L there, and then I went straight down. I'm just keeping this brick to kind of, I put some pressure on it. So but behind that or beneath that, that's going to be another L. I'm going to keep going, and here what so now this is what I'm going to talk about a little bit more, right? So what I did was, this is a T here, and this goes up to my hanging plants, and this I just extended this a little bit here, and I put an end cap here. So what happens is, you will eventually need to kind of drain some debris out of the pipe. So this is going to be very useful for future purpose. So make sure you have this. Also, if you want to kind of do another set of irrigation down the line for some other plants, you should be able to achieve it through this. So this is very important. I did that just kind of as a precautionary purpose. And then what I'm going to do is, I just ran this completely up like this, and then if you see there, you have another T, and then it goes way up, and then there's an end cap there, and then here same thing, and then I plugged another L there, you see that, and then another end cap there. And then how this is attached is, let me just quickly give you an explanation on that one. You see that? So that's a drip tube, micro tubing. So what it needs is, you just need a punch, which you get it in Home Depot. It's typically a blue color punch. So just punch a hole there, and then push this tube, this flexi tube inside it, and you need to hear a click. Once you hear a click, it's there. It can move, so but you don't have to be worried about it, because even if it moves around, if it rotates, there's not going to be any leak coming up. Occasionally you may just see 1 or 2 drops of drips around, which is normal. You don't have to be worried about it. So that's pretty much about our hanging basket drip system that we built. It kind of took around a couple of hours to measure everything, get the pipes straight, get the pipes cut perfectly well. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with what I have done or achieved so far. And at the most, what I'm gonna have to do here, and that too in the future, I'm not gonna do that immediately, is I may have to add an extension. So basically what I'll do is, I'll set the pressure on this one, and then on the other one I'm gonna just not even worry about trying to put the pressure the right way, so I can just completely turn it on or turn it off. So this is for setting the pressure, and then this is for turning on and off. So I'm going to add another one here. Or the best thing that you could do is you can just add another timer, right? And that should be perfectly fine for your irrigation system. I'd rather do it manually for a couple of months to just see if there are any more leaks or anything, and once I'm comfortable with it, I would go ahead and set up a timer. All right, so thank you for watching. This is Venkatesh signing off.